In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add custom properties in Hubspot, and we'll get all of this done in just about 5 minutes. So let's dive right in and walk through these steps together. First things first, head over to the Hubspot website. Once you're there, you'll want to locate the login option, which is conveniently placed at the top right corner of the page. Click on it to bring up the sign-in options. You will notice an option to sign in using Google. Go ahead and click on Sign in with Google and select the Google account associated with your Hubspot account. This seamless login process not only saves time, but also ensures your credentials are securely managed by Google. After logging in, let's navigate to the settings. You can find the settings icon at the top right corner of your Hubspot dashboard. It looks like a gear. Click on this to enter the settings area where you'll manage your custom properties. Once in settings, direct your attention to the left panel. There you'll see a drop-down option labeled Properties. Clicking here will expand the panel, giving you more options related to property management. Now let's move on to creating a new property. Find and select the option labeled Create Property. This is your starting point for defining new data fields in your Hubspot environment. The choices you make here will dictate how you categorize and utilize your customer data. So let's proceed carefully. Next, you'll need to enter the property label. This is the name of the property you are creating. Make sure it's descriptive enough so that other users know exactly what information this property will hold. Following this, you'll choose the object type. This dictates what type of data will be associated with this property, like contacts, companies, or deals. We're getting closer. Now pick the correct group for your property. This helps organize your properties into logical collections, making everything easier to manage later on. After selecting the group, you'll be prompted to add a description. This field is optional but highly recommended to clarify the purpose of your custom property. Next, focus on the field type. This determines the format of data that can be entered into this property. Click on the field type from the left panel and choose the appropriate field type from the list. This choice will be crucial depending on whether you need a text field, drop-down, number date, or another type for your intended data. Finally, with all these selections made, it's time to bring it all together by hitting Create at the top right corner of the screen. Congratulations! Your new custom property is now live in Hubspot, ready to be used for organizing your customer data more efficiently. And there you have it, a comprehensive guide to adding custom properties in Hubspot. Thanks for joining me, and I hope this tutorial makes your Hubspot experience that much smoother. See you next time.